Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So you did it. You booked your first Disney cruise. You have the confirmation email, you told your family, and you are buzzing with excitement. But you're also probably feeling a little bit overwhelmed. What do I pack? Where do I eat? How does any of this actually work? Well, take a deep breath. I've been there. And I'm here today to share the 5 most important things to do before you even step foot on the cruise ship. And this is the stuff that will take your vacation from great to magical. Let's get into it. All right, first things first, and this is a non-negotiable. Your phone, yeah, the thing you're probably watching this video on right now, is the most important and powerful planning tool that you will have on this entire trip. Starting with the official Disney Cruise Line Navigator app. You should download it the first thing after booking your cruise. Now, to help you get organized and all your pre-planning, I have to do a quick, shameless plug for my own app. It's called the Enchanted Assistant. Right now, it's only available on iOS, but I am working very hard to get it on Android. And if you have an Android, drop a comment below because I'm trying to look for beta testers right now. And if you want to use it on your trip, let me know in the comments below. It's designed to be your ultimate pre-cruise command center. It has a super detailed cruise planning form where you can input everything, your cruise line and ship, your cabin number, your dining rotation, your ports of call, and even your specialty dining reservations. It keeps all those crucial details in one spot. It also has a very informative and very friendly AI assistant named Stacy. She will help you with everything from pre-planning to questions you have about the ship. You can even take a guided tour on the ship you're about to go on. But one of my favorite features is the checklist. You can create custom packing lists for your outfits, shore excursions, or anything else. And this is the key. You can link it directly to your plan. This app is a game changer for anybody that is going on cruise ships or theme parks. It is free to download, and obviously the link will be in the description below. Shameless plug is over. So once you have your personal plans all sorted out, you'll use the official Disney Cruise Line Navigator app. This is where you'll do your online check-in, any reservations you want for maybe adult dining like Paulo or Remy, spa treatment, and those all-important port adventures. The booking window on these actually opens up depending on your status in the Castaway Club. And for first-timers, that's 75 days prior to sailing. Popular stuff books up really fast, so you want to make sure to get on the app on that day. Once you're on the ship, the Disney Cruise Line Navigator app is your key to pretty much everything. It'll tell you the show times, it'll tell you the dining rotation times, it'll tell you anything that is going on around the ship. It also has a free chat thing, so if you want to talk to anybody else that is on your vacation, you can also talk to them, or you can actually talk to the kids. If they have phones and they have the Navigator app, you can actually set up like pickup times for them in the Oceaneers Club. And the Enchanted Assistant doesn't stop at pre-planning. It actually will help you while you're on the cruise as well, because you can ask it pretty much any questions. Stacy in the app will be there to help you every step of the way. All you have to do is ask her a question and she'll pretty much know the answer for you. Bottom line, get your plan organized with the Enchanted Assistant, and then when you're on the ship, add the Navigator app. Let's talk about food, specifically dinner. Disney Cruise Line does something pretty unique when it comes to cruises, and that's called Rotational Dining. On your Key to the World card, that's your room key and charge card, you'll see a series of letters like A, E, and D. Each letter stands for one of the main dining rooms. So on the Wish, you'll have 1923, you'll have World of Marvel, and you'll have Arendelle. So every night, you and everyone at your dinner table will rotate to a new dining room. But here's the magic trick. Your server and assistant server will also rotate with you. This is amazing because by the second night, your server already knows you, it knows your kids, it knows what you like, what you don't like, and literally everything about your dining habits, they'll already know. So every night you go to a different restaurant, they'll be there with you to serve you and make everything magical. It provides this incredible, personalized, and very different themed restaurants every single night of your cruise, and it is one of the best parts of the entire cruise. And remember, along with the main dining rooms, which are free of charge, there's also a ton of other places like quick services, some snacks, some teas and coffees, sodas, and even room service 24 hours a day. You can get room service for free. Just remember to leave a couple dollars for your server that brings the food to your room. Disney Cruise Line is often described as an all-inclusive trip. While most things are included, there are some things that aren't, and I'm gonna let you know which are included and which things aren't included. So this is what is included. You have your main dining, your quick service, some snacks, not all snacks, some snacks, basic tea and coffee, you have soft drinks, you have movies in the cinemas, you have the Broadway style shows, and you have the room service. And you also have access to the kids club, except for the nursery. The nursery is an extra charge. What's not included? Alcoholic beverages, specialty coffees at the cafes, smoothies, port adventure, excursions, spa treatments, and photos taken by any of the PhotoPass people. And the last thing is gratuities. Now let's talk about the last thing, and that was gratuities. Disney automatically adds a recommended gratuity amount per person per day for your stateroom, and they add it to your account, and you can either prepay that or you can pay it at the end of your cruise. And this goes to your stateroom attendant and the dining team. This is for the incredible service that you get throughout your cruise, so just be prepared for it. Budgeting for these extra charges that you didn't know about will help with the sticker shock at the end of your cruise. This one's a bit more fun, but it is a big part of a Disney cruise. People decorate their stateroom doors, and this is a big part of the Disney cruise culture. The doors are metal on your stateroom, so people bring magnets, and those could be personal magnets or even multi-piece scenes that they put on their doors, and it is so much fun. It does two things. One, it's fun, creative, and it helps you get into the magical mood of a Disney cruise. Two, it will help you find your stateroom in a long line of doors that look exactly the same, so you and your kids will know which room is yours just by looking at the door. So jump on Etsy or get crafty and make some magnets to bring on your next cruise. Also, quick pro tip, even though Disney staterooms can be magical, they can also be a bit tight and small. So you want to bring something like a door hanging organizer, like a shoe organizer, something like that you can hang inside a closet to put things in while you're in your cruise. Also, it is a very important thing to bring a multi-plugged USB charger because outlets and plugs can be very limited. Do not bring a surge protector. Do not bring one of those because those are not allowed on a cruise ship. Bring a USB hub. So search on Amazon for a USB hub and they will tell you if it's cruise certified or not. You can bring it on a cruise. Most of them do. Tip number 5. This is, I think, the most important tip of them all. So when you first open the Disney Navigator app, you are going to see a list of things that are jam-packed full from morning till night, whether it be games or pool games or movies or trivia or pretty much anything from when you wake up to when you go to sleep. Now, the most important tip I can give you is don't overdo it, because it can be very tempting to try to do it all, but don't. Remember, this is a vacation. It is you time. It is your family time. So what do? You spend it as a family, or let the kids go to the kids club, because the kids club is the most fun, secure place out of any cruise line I have ever been on. They are the best kids club anywhere. Now, while those kids are in the kids club having a magical, wonderful time, you as the adults get to relax. Go in your stateroom and look at the ocean. go to the adult-only pool area, go to the quiet cove, do you time, just relax, go to get a spa treatment. Just the rainforest room, let me tell you, the rainforest room is amazing on Disney cruises, and it is so relaxing. They have hot tubs in them there, they have showers that are really cool. It is so much fun, but again, relax, because this is a vacation. It is not a sprint, it is not a marathon, it is a vacation, and you are going to want to relax, because at the end, you are going to feel amazing, and you're going to feel accomplished, because there's still plenty of things to do, even if you relax some. So my point is, don't burn yourself out. So there you have it, my top 5 essential tips for going on a Disney cruise for any first timer, or even if you've been on a cruise before. So let me know, what is your favorite tip that I told you? Let me know in the comments below. If you like videos like this, make sure you give this video a like if this helped you at all, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this on cruises, on theme parks, or when we go to the theme parks and cruises, because we have some really fun trips coming up. Especially the next one is one of, well, not the next one, but the one after that is my favorite that we've ever had, and that's going to be a Disney Alaskan cruise. We've never been on one, and I am so looking forward to it. That happens in August. Me and Lindy are going for our anniversary, and we've never been to Alaska, and it's going to be so much fun. So make sure to subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. I will see you guys later. Remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.